We are ready to race in Japan.
We have lots of damage with right hand side.
It's the battle for third. We're back in Fuji for round 7 of 8 of the World Championship. Hello, good morning and welcome to Fuji Speedway in Japan, the penultimate round of the 2025 FIA World Endurance Championship. 6 hours of Fuji is about to get underway. Red lights are on, we are ready to race in Japan. There's a move on the inside of the number 5, Antonio Giovinazzi, trying to hang on to Ferrari's nose to tail. The second, the Aston Martins, that 007, Harry Tincknell behind. Phil Hansen, 50 car, Nick-Nielsen trying to have a go, but the Aston Martin has got long legs on this straight.
Let's go for it. Let's get close.
Through on the inside of the Aston Martin comes the second of the Ferraris. And that is 50 versus 007, Harry Tincknell in the green Aston, up through on the inside.
Job, Joey, that's P5. Remember, we have a better degradation than the other, just be patient. We have lots of damage with right hand side.
He was trying to make a move on 83, contact with the yellow Ferrari. That's right on board, Darren.
Under 15.
Full course yellow at the moment. Nothing is critical in terms of vitals. We keep going.
Well, away we go again. Let's hear from the 83 team.
We will swap position at the restart.
VSC, box, box, box.
So box, 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 you stay at the wheel.
Copy, box, mate.
Will be fuel and 2 tire change. Anyway, we are still P4. Safety car in this lap.
Here comes the number 5 Porsche trying to go around the outside of Antonio Giovinazzi as Paul Di Resta has a little look at the back of Bourdais. Lock up from the Porsche of Julian Andlauer. Here's the battle for third. Antonio Giovinazzi's Ferrari on the inside of Sebastian Bourdais. Bourdais was second at the restart at the end of lap 1 of the fresh race. He is down to third, down to fourth now, and behind you can see another of the Ferraris moving up. That's the number 50 car. Nick-Nielsen went by René Rast in the number 20 BMW. And for 8th place, a change as the Ferrari moves up into 8th spot.
5 laps before driver and tire change. Can give everything.
We will box this time.
Box, 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 and driver change to Yifei.
Making a move on the Peugeot of Malte Jakobsen. Alessandro Pier Guidi licked the stamp and sent it down the inside. That didn't work, so Malte Jakobsen holds on in 6th, Pier Guidi in 7th. That's Mathieu Jaminet ahead of us as we ride in 9th place with Antonio Fuoco.
That's car on track. Let's go for it. Good job, Ali. Good job. Let's go catch him.
This corner here in particular, you can see all the marbles on the outside through 4 and 5. Big risk for the hypercars when they're trying to go around the GT cars at that point. Some contact there. 009 and the McLaren.
Yeah, Ribeira's trying to fight his way through on the inside, but as you said, sliding around on the marbles.
Good job, man. We are P7 in that race.
Tom Gamble!
Trouble. 99 car.
You didn't let me any space.
Look ahead, look ahead.
And now 50 under pressure as well. The number 6 Porsche, Kevin Est, bit between his teeth. If you think that Alex Riberas has got the bit between his teeth, Kevin Estre even more. He's going to go the other way round the 21 Ferrari, and he continues with that momentum.
Box, box, left side tire change and fuel.
Box, box, 2 left.
Okay, you have a warning flag for track limit.
Mate, you didn't call me any confused.
Everything appeared at the same time. It needs to be the last 4 laps, turn 3 all the time. I do the drive through now, be back P13 and in 1 hour and a half. Box, box, driver change.
Driver change to Robert. can go full push till the end.
This is the last lap,
Okay, you can flag them. Trust me, you will be rewarded in Bahrain. Trust me, you will be.